Hey, this is your favorite tech with another tutorial. Be sure to check us out on our website or text us if you need tech support. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick way to fix if you're having trouble logging into your Windows 10 device. I'm assuming you know your password, you put it in several times, and for some weird reason, it will not accept your password and log in. How can you fix this problem or get around it so you can get back in your system? So what I want you to do is go to the bottom right corner of the screen and find the power icon. All right, I want you to click on it, then go to the restart button, hold down shift while pressing the restart button. It's very important that you hold down shift first, then click the restart button. Okay, by doing that, it should take you here to this Windows safe mode. You're going to select troubleshoot, select advanced options, select startup settings. All right, it's going to give you startup settings. You're going to click restart. All right, it's going to take you to the setup settings. You can select any one of these. So select 6, 7. We're going to select F5, enable safe mode with networking. So we're going into our computer with safe mode. So our system comes back up. I want you to try to put your password one more time. Hopefully it will work this time in safe mode. All right, we're logged into safe mode. You're going to go ahead and close that. That's a good sign. That means that this issue is probably going to be fixed. Now we're going to restart our computer again. You don't need to hold shift. And at this point, you're going to go back to your normal Windows login screen at that point and try to log in again. And hopefully this fixes your issue. Hey, if you found this video valuable, go ahead and return the favor by liking and subscribing to this channel. If you subscribe, type the phrase "I subscribed" in the comment section below. Keep in mind, when you subscribe, it motivates us to continue to make these free videos. Lastly, if you enjoy learning about technology, entrepreneurship, or making money online, go ahead and check out my other videos on my other channel. Thanks for your support.